Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn how to install a Zabbix agent on a Linux host and also configure it on the Zabbix-Server front end. Let's go ahead and check what Linux host do we have with us. So we have a Red Hat 8 machine on which we want to install the Zabbix agent. First, we will go ahead on zabbix.com/download and select our Zabbix-Server version, which we have selected as 5.0 LTS over here, and select the OS distribution as Red Hat and the OS version as 8. Next, we need to copy these commands on our machine where we want to install the Zabbix agent. Once step A is complete, we have successfully installed the Zabbix repository on our client. Now we need to run dnf install Zabbix-Agent -y in order to complete the Zabbix agent installation. Once the agent installation is complete, we will head on to the directory etc/Zabbix. We will list the contents and edit our file Zabbix-Agent.conf. On this file, we need to enter our Zabbix server and Zabbix hostname. So we'll enter our Zabbix server's IP here. Also, we will insert in server active line. And then finally, we'll enter the host name, which we want to see on the Zabbix front end. And this has to be case sensitive. So I'll call it as Linux host. I'll press escape and write and quit out of this file. Now I will copy the IP of this machine and add a host on the Zabbix front end. I'll head on to the Zabbix front end and click on configuration and hosts and click on create host and add my host as Linux host, just the way I entered in my configuration file. And I'll paste the IP of my client over here. I will click on templates and search Linux and select template OS Linux by Zabbix-Agent. I will click on add in order to add the agent. So the agent has been added here, as you can see. Now we will copy the host name and search it here. And we'll go back to on our client and restart the Zabbix agent with this command. If we encounter any issues, we can go on and check the Zabbix agent log with this command. So we'll go ahead and check on the front end the latest data. We will wait for approximately 5 minutes. And as you can see, we are getting the monitoring data and the latest data. So as you saw, the steps involved a lot of manual tasks, including editing the configuration file and restarting the Zabbix agent and adding the host on the front end. So in order to make the process simpler, I have created a script in order to install the Zabbix agent on any Linux machine and update the parameters as per your Zabbix server and restart and enable the Zabbix agent. You only need to add the host on the Zabbix front end. Please check out the next video in order to learn the automation. Thank you.